Many people often get confused when to use I, we, and whether we have to use were with I or was with I. Similarly, we have to use was with we or were with we. They often commit these small mistakes. So, to rectify those, we will be doing a video on it today. We have two types of nouns, singular noun and plural noun. Singular noun means which is occurring only once, and plural noun means which is occurring more than once. So, singular we have I and plural we have we. In present tense, we have a rule that with I we will use am, and in past tense with I will use was. That is, I am in present tense and I was in past tense. Similarly, we use we are in present tense and were is used in past tense. That is, we were. We won't use we was, we will use we were. Okay, so these are the rules which you should remember. Similarly, we have my and are. My is used in singular. My can be used in present tense as well as past tense. My watch was lost. And similarly, our playground is very big. We are using are in plural. Example of singular present tense is I am doing my homework. So here we are having with I we are using am. Similarly, we have in plural present tense example we have we are doing our homework. So we have we here. With we have are, as I said, because it is present tense. Ing means present tense. Our is again plural only. Now let us see with she, he, and they what we should use in present tense and past tense. Now, what is she and he? She and he is singular. That is only when we say about a person which is not us. That is, I'm not talking about myself, I'm talking about someone else, and that is a singular person. Then that will come under she or he. And similarly, what is they? When we say with ourselves, when we include other persons, we call we, and when we have with ourselves other persons, we call they. So, she in present tense will be used with is, she is, he is, and in past tense, she or he will be used with was. Similarly, they in present tense will be used with are, and they in past tense will be used with were. So, let us see an example of singular present tense having she and he. She is having breakfast. So we cannot say she are having breakfast because it is present tense. He is playing football. Similarly, with he we have is. Now coming to plural present tense. They are going to picnic. So we have they and we have are with it. Then we have singular past tense. She was having breakfast. So she is used with was. Similarly, he was playing football. We have he was in past tense. Now, let us take an example of they. They were going to picnic. That is, here we have they. With they, we are using were. We cannot say they was going to picnic. Many people do that mistake. It will be they were going to picnic. Now we saw here how we use was and were here. Was and were. Was is used in singular tense and were is used in plural form. So, was means we are using it like this. She was having breakfast. He was playing football. They were going to picnic. Let us see some more examples with was and were. I was suffering from mild body ache. So I'm using I with was because that is the rule. I and Sophia were preparing for English exam. Why is were coming? Because I and Sophia means there are two. Two means it is plural. So that is why we're using were. Do and does. So do is used with singular and plural also. That is do in singular it is used with I and in plural it is used with we. Let us look at an example of do. I like to do painting. So I is used with do. Similarly, we do not have any homework. So we is used with do. Then does we have she singular. He she does is used. For example, he does not want to go out and play. So I hope you are clear with the concept. Please, as a homework, everyone write two sentences in the comment box with I, with we, with he, with she, with they, with do, with does, and comment below. If you have understood our video, then please like, share, subscribe, click that bell icon.